The throttle trigger allows you to control your small engine's throttle setting. The trigger is made of plastic, and the throttle cable attaches to it. Over time, the trigger can fatigue and break. If something hits the trigger, it can also cause the trigger to break. Replacing the throttle trigger is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, chicken mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the throttle handle. Now remove the throttle trigger from the housing. As I do, I'll be careful not to lose the tension spring. I'll remove the spring from the trigger, and I'll remove the throttle cable. Now I can install the new trigger. First, I'll reinstall the spring. Next, the throttle cable. And now I'll place it back into the housing. As I install the trigger, I'll retension the spring and place it into the hole. I'll realign the throttle cable with the housing. And now I can reinstall the housing. The last screw keeps the handle from rotating on the shaft. I'll align the handle with the hole in the shaft and install the screw. And that's all it takes to install a new throttle trigger on your gas-powered tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.